Hello, highlighters! It's Leo here, and welcome back for another highlight. So, it's another Zeus body unboxing. Actually, from March pa to. Hindi ko lang na-unbox. At April na. Ilang days na lumipas. Hindi kasi nagbakasyon ako nun. Kaya for this time, this is the third video for the Zeus body It's Okay to Feel Emotions series. Yan. And for this time, it's I Feel Sad. Okay, so let's start na. And hope there's a secret for this one. Kasi wala pa tayo actually nakukuwang secret na sa pag-unbox lang. And looking forward, meron naman. At ang tagal-tagal ko itong tinago. So, here's the complete set. Actually, complete set ko na siya. And ayun lang, if you're wondering bakit wala pa na nilalabas si Zeus ulit, kasi as per them daw, diba? Inopen ko na agad. Wala pa daw advice kung kailan daw ilalabas yung next. So, 3 emotions lang muna, diba? Which is sad. Kasi alam ko there's a lot eh. Parang like 6 ba? Kasi may ano pa eh. Anxious, fear. Yun, tama. Meron pang anxious and fear. So, may isa pa. Disgust. Yun. So, may tatlo pa nga dapat. Siguro, okay, pero okay lang kasi masyado tayo na-overwhelm. Diba? But, here you go. Here's the first one that we've unboxed. Here's Blue Body. Yan. Here's the photo card. Yan. The ID card pala. Photo card tuloy. Okay. So, feeling sad doesn't mean you're weak. It's your heart telling you to pause and heal. Oh. Wait, ngayon ko lang binasa yung mga cards. Ang cute pala ng mga messages. Anyway, so here you go. Here's the next one. Diba? Wala lang. Kasi kaya mas gusto kong in-open in front of you guys. Kasi para mas, mas genuine yung pag-shoot ko ng video kung makuha natin yung secret, diba? Tatalon kasi tayo dito. Pero for this one, hindi siya secret agad kasi alam natin si Portapal to since manipis. Diba? Here's Portapal. Wait, alam nyo, underrated ni Portapal. Actually, if mahilig kayo sa coffee or nagbarista kayo, parang best friend nyo talaga yung mga portafilter kasi pagpo-pull ng shots, yung gumaganong-ganon, nilalagay ng mga espresso beans. Ito yun eh. Ang nice kaya nito. So nakalagay dito, feeling sad doesn't mean you're weak. It's your heart telling you to pause and heal. Same lang siya. It's a part of being human, nakalagay dito. Wait same nga lang ba siya? Same lang pala siya. So, ang nakalagay pala sa harapan ng makaiba, kay Blue Body, it makes me sad when our regulars stop coming. Oh, for Portapal naman, it hurts when Zeus thinks I'm a frying pan. Hindi siya frying pan Yung pagpupul ng shots siya. But anyway, wait. Tingnan mo, tagal ko na kasi nag-unbox kaya nalito na sa mga cards. Anyway, here's the third one. Okay. So, ngayon, as of, April 12, sa mga Zeus naman, may ibang branches na available pa, but mixed emotions na siya. So, parang like dito near sa amin, meron pa siyang, joy. Yon. I feel joy. Anyway, here's the third one. It's Bean Boss. Cute. Alam niyo yung sa Puss in Boots, yung nagpapa-cute eyes. So, parang yun siya. So, nakalagay dito, it hurts when the team thinks I'm too harsh. I just want to see everyone succeed. Oh. Ganun talaga yung sound effects, Oh. Yan, pahigain na lang natin muna since wala tayong stand. Anyway, so here's the fourth box. Oops. Wait lang. So, makapal ulit siya. So, hindi ko pa tinitignan kung secrets or what. Wala, sana may pa-pull naman tayong secret na for this one. And hopefully, hindi siya yung last. Kasi inas ko talaga, wala pa daw salang balita kung ano yung next at kung magkakaroon pa. Hala. Anyway, here's the next. Yay! Here's Profe Friend. Pwede siyang Prof Friend, pero Profe kasi ang basa talaga doon, highlighter. So, wait, may nalaglag. Later na lang yon. So, everyone sees me as the cool one, but even I have my down days, it's hard when no one notices. Oh, ang drama ni Profi friend. Wait, so may lagpas siya na na tawag dito? Gupitin lang natin. Oops, ayan, nagupit na. May lagpas dun sa na sinulid. Anyway, yeah. Here's Profi friend. Uy, by the way, for the drinks ni Zeus, na-happy ako sa Profi nila. Frappuccino, Profi. Anyway, kung ano man tawag nyo, basta yun na yun, yung blended drinks nila, masarap pala. And worth the price actually. Kasi hindi ako masyado ma-prof kasi since medyo ako sa sugar. Diba ganun talaga pag adulting. Pero masarap. Pwede nyo naman ipa-less sweet and no whip na lang siya para mas less guilt. Yun. And if ever hindi nyo pa natikman yung new drinks na mango series, masarap yung mango prof. Since yung lasa niya, hindi siya yung ordinary mango puree. Lasa siyang, alam niyo sa Cebu na dried mango. Ganun siya. Pero yun nga lang, pansin ko, bakit wala siyang tidbits ng mango. Nakalagay is parang nata and cereal, ganun. Ayun lang yung medyo weird lang sa akin. But anyway, here's Pinky Boo. Cute. Bakit parang madumi niya, kaya pala siya sad. Wait, nasan yung Nasan yung, yung ID card niya. Pinky Boo, it breaks my heart when no one notices my latte art. Oh. Ganun, nasadlat. Anyway, alam mo kung sinilipan to. Sa tingin nyo. Biglang ganun. Pinag-isipan ng masama. Anyway, here's the last one. And let's see. Ito sa sira. Yan. Ay, wait. Nakita niyo na blue. So, this is not a secret. Kasi kulay purple yung photo card nun. Anyway, so this is, Choco Chips. Tama kayo. Oh. Anyway, here we go. Choco Chipster, I feel down when my hands shake and I mess up a drink. I just want to do my best. Oh. Anyway, just a recap highlighters. We didn't get the secret, the Ube Bay, but here's Choco Chipster, Blue Body, Bean Boss, Profi Friend, Pinky Boo, and one of my favorite pal is Porta Filter. So, that's all for now, highlighters. And hopefully, magkaroon pa talaga ng another Zeus body para may i-unbox pa tayo na Zeus from Zeus Coffee Philippines. Anyway, that's all for now. And see you again on the next highlight. Bye! Kung subscribe kayo sa TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, here sa YouTube for more updates, trends, and mga bundle finds like this one. Bye!